This program has been designed to develop the next generation of technology pioneers. People often assume that everybody is naturally good at learning. Unfortunately, that isn't the case. On the Technology and Innovation BSc, you will be trained systematically in intentional learning and coached and mentored throughout the program to develop this critical skill. This will equip you with the key capabilities that you need at any point in your career to be able to accelerate your development by learning the critical knowledge and skills in new industries and new functional areas. The Technology and Innovation BSc is a very different type of business education. It's a business education for makers, not managers. It provides you with the skills to deeply engage with the world, to deeply engage with people, to understand complex problems in detail, and to be able to take that insight and apply creativity, imagination to come up with ideas for breakthrough products and services that can address some of the world's most complicated problems. The program has a very strong focus on practice. So there's a strand that runs across all 3 years of the program to build your skills in innovation as a creative practice. This program has been designed to help you develop high-value, complex, slow-learned, un-LLMable skills that will prepare you for your future careers. We're looking for ambitious young people who want to be part of a community of bold thinkers and creative makers. People who want to defy convention, redefine expectations, and ignite positive change.